Hey guys, welcome back to PED 110. This week we are looking at Chapter 12, Special Considerations Related to Exercise and Injury Prevention. And you're probably wondering why we skipped way ahead to Chapter 12, but this is our safety chapter. And I think it's really important that if we are expecting you to participate in physical activity and increase those levels each week, that you're doing so in a manner that's safe for you and those around you. So this chapter introduces you to those considerations, things like appropriate footwear for the activity you're participating in, appropriate attire, uh, weather-related conditions and concerns that we would have when it comes to exercise and physical activity, and just general injury prevention, things like stretching and warming up before working out and taking rest days. Although I want you to increase your activity, it's important that you protect your body also. So this chapter goes through all of that. It also introduces you to techniques to treat minor uh, exercise related injuries. Of course, anything major you would want to seek medical attention, but the chapter does a great job of going through all of that for you. So I won't continue to ramble on here. You'll find that each week I'm a creature of habit, and that's really important for you with the online course, so you understand exactly what it is that you are expected to do each week. So every week it's pretty much going to be the same. You've got this video, you've got a PowerPoint that you'll refer to, as well as your textbook, and you can use both to assist with taking the quiz. I think this quiz is 35 questions. And then you submit your physical activity monitoring report for the week. For those of you that I've reviewed already, great job. I do challenge you to try to get 10,000 steps a day. A lot of you were averaging somewhere between 2,500 and about 5,000. Some were much more than that, but most was in that range. So as we progress on, our goal is at least 10,000 steps a day. That's what the American Heart Association recommends for each person. So if you're counting steps, 10,000 a day is our goal. And it might take you a while to get there, but we've got to be intentional about this. And yeah, just challenge yourself. Okay, as I've read some of the logs that you're doing, for those that aren't submitting the screenshots, I've been very interested in reading your goals and how you progress through week one and what your goals are for this upcoming week. So great job, keep it up. As always, I'm here for you if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. So something I haven't introduced to you yet, but I want you to take a look at the Chapter 12 checklist. So if you click on that, it's going to show you all the activities that you should have done, but they're all right in front of you. So you don't necessarily have to click on that right now. But let me show you why that's important. That checklist, I'm going to use Raylene and Shelby here. When they complete everything, you get a full green bar. So on your screen, you're only going to see one name. That's yours. Okay? If you have white, that means that you've missed something. So you would want to go back and identify which activity it is that you missed. For example, on the PowerPoint, you don't have to do anything. You click on it, you read it, and it gives you credit for viewing that. Okay, that's the activity completion is simply viewing the PowerPoint. So make sure you have a full green bar over here by your name on the checklist. All right, guys, if you have any questions, I'm here for you. I'm looking forward to a great semester. Just remember, with this online piece, it's very important that you manage your time wisely, set these dates on a calendar, and also remember we talked about checking your email daily, okay, because that's going to be key for our communication. All right, have a great week. I look forward to checking in next week. Take care.